It's snowing outside. No, I ain't got no salt for my driveway or sidewalk, but what I do have is Carmex for my lips. It's snowing outside. Of course I got on more layers than a pan of lasagna. I got on a wife beater, I got some long johns underneath it, I got a t-shirt and this hoodie on, and my coat's in the car. It's snowing outside. Of course I think it's racist that my job didn't close for the day because of the weather. It's snowing outside. Of course when my hands get cold, I stick them in my nuts to keep them warm. Whew, yeah. It's cold outside. Of course I'm gonna walk up to the camera and yell and talk like Wallow 267. It's snowing outside. After the age of 40, sledding, snow angels, and arguing outside is considered self-hate crimes. It's snowing outside. Of course I don't know why that white man came outside in shorts and a t-shirt with his hair wet, but I'm gonna mind my business. It's snowing outside. Hell yeah, I'm gonna put on my Timberlands and walk like Bishop and Juice. Hey, Q! Hey, Q! It's snowing outside. Of course, when I start my cup, I'm not gonna clean the snow all the way off. I'm gonna just make a small enough window for me to get to work on time. Shit, that's good enough. It's snowing outside. Of course, I'm gonna come outside and risk possibly sliding into an embankment and totaling my car just so I can get across town and get some coochie. Oh shit. We gonna get there though.
Let's get to it.